Hey everybody, welcome back. We are getting ready to do some music reactions. Fangs, Purdy, who you can't see. We are getting ready to react to Austin Brown. He is covering the song Photograph, and I don't know if I've heard this song before or not. I was trying to figure that out. I can't figure out if it's a cover or not, so we will have to see if he talks about it at the end. Hi, little girl. It's like, what's that smell? I took a bath. Oh, oh no, oh no. Are you going to say hi to everybody? Nope. Uh, so let's take a listen and see what he did with the song. Put the earbuds back in and go from there.
It's the evening light
Don't think I know this song.
shining through the curtains. Time before the night when everything is golden. You're sitting on the chair, wrapped inside a bedsheet, playing with your hair, watching people on the high street. If I wished myself a superpower, I would make this moment last for hours. If I had my will, time would just stand still, wait for me until I find some magic film to take a photograph and live inside.
It's a very pretty song. It sounds like an older song, but it could be an original, I suppose. But it has an older flavor to it. So I wonder if it, I'm wondering about that. Hopefully we'll find out at the end. And Sebastian's beautiful on the piano. And Amberly's getting some more keyboard
The
fingering.
sun is going down. Your skin is like a painting. The light is perfect now. I can feel it changing. Kids are probably soon. Don't get me wrong, I'm ready. Well, I know what to do when we're no longer two. When us means more than me and you. Oh, if I wished myself a superpower, I would make this moment last for hours. If I had my will, time would just stand still, wait for me until I find some magic film to take a photograph and live inside. I need some way to
We're
prove that
getting
this
some
was.
attitude on the piano. I was just thinking about how calm and relaxed he is, and I was thinking about my challenge where I said I want to see Sebastian do a little bit of Great Balls of Fire and see if he can play that calmly. And just as I'm sitting there thinking about that challenge, he starts laying into it. So getting some attitude in there.
I need some way to prove that this was real. A memory is not enough. I'm scared that I'll forget the way it feels to be young and in love.
Too close on the close up, Amberly.
Let me stay right here, just a moment longer. The picture is so clear. Please let this last forever.
And is that the end already? It is the end. Um, oh, it's already been over 3 minutes. Didn't realize that. Uh, very beautiful song. I'm getting ready to finish watching some of the rest of this and see what he talks about. And I'll keep recording just in case there's stuff in here to share with you all of me reacting to them. So,
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video of an incredible song by an incredible artist. His name is Cody Fry. If you haven't heard of him, go check him out.
okay, so Cody Fry. So it is a cover. I don't recognize the name, and I don't know if it's a modern singer or a classical singer. I've got a pile in my backyard that never got burned, that needs burned.
Boy, the dogs are freaking out right now.
Okay, finished watching their bonfire and everything. So, and yes, I agree, fires are dangerous. I've heard stories about friends passing out in fires when they were trying to blow on the fire to get it going and then passing out face first into the embers. People having it because they put gasoline on it, like he was talking about, and it goes whoosh. Had a friend singe his eyebrows off doing that. So, yeah, fires are dangerous, nothing to laugh at, which is why I still have the pile that I have in my backyard. I never got around to actually burning it. I have to get a burning permit to burn it, but I was trying to get everything in the pile and then would go about doing all that and just never got there. So now I've got bucknut trees growing up in the pile. So thank you all for joining me on this one, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.